Hi. Remember the first time you said you love me? I do. And I really hate the fact that you had to be the first one to say those words and you didn't even mean it. My heart stopped there for a minute. I was stoked, shocked, happy that I was finally in love with the person who loved me back. My face became pale. I don't know if you noticed. That night I made a promise. I got home, took my diary and wrote it. I will never break his heart. I will never leave his side. I'll love him and support him forever, I promise. I've been in love 1,000 times, but you made me feel something way more deeper than teenage fever. You didn't make my heart beat, you made it shiver. I was willing to die for you, lie for you, and go through shit for you. Why did you lie to me, though? I take the L word so seriously, why did you have to play with that, though? You became the only reason I was leaving. Tried killing myself, then I remembered there was you and thought you'd miss me. I've cried for niggas before, but for you? I even broke my mama's plates. How did I fucking get to that state? Why did I realize it so late? I got permanent scars on my body that will forever remind me of you. I've been trying to move on, but everyone in my life thinks your name still makes me happy, my mom too. I tried so many times to make you love me like I loved you, but I guess I gotta accept you can only be in my heart, not in my life. I've accepted you'll never be truly mine. I think I'ma survive. I cried every night. I don't got no reason to leave no more. You was my only light. But hey, I'm strong. All I can do is fight. Thank you for coming into my life and wasting my time. I don't think I'll ever love again. You took all my might. I just hope one day you wake up and realize you lost something out of this world. My love and the person I am can't be described by no word. Goodbye. May you find happiness. I pray to the Lord.